Guys, welcome back to Multichamps channel and welcome back to part 2 on how to make games on MIT Appinventor. Let's get started. When you open your MIT Appinventor, you press new project. Then we'll put our project name as dice. It opens up to us. In this project, we'll be making a dice game that once we shake our phone or once we type the button, it should give us a random number from 1 to 6. Let's get started. First, we need 2 buttons. We drag them onto our screen, and then we need a text to speech, which is, as we can see, it's a non-visible component, and an accelerator sensor, which is also a non-visible component. Before we get deeper into this video, if you've not seen my part 1, please kindly go to the description box below and click the link, or you can just go through the channel and you can pick it. Now that we've gotten that, let us rename this button to I am your dice but better button. Projector for button 2. Projector button. And we can now fill in the text. As for button 2's text, we can put a question mark. Once you first open the app, it's going to be a question mark you will see. And for button 1, you can name it I am your dice but better. Now we can center our screen by going to screen 1 and putting our align horizontal to center 3 and our align vertical to center 2. Now it's there. We'll click on our question mark button and make it bigger, and increasing our height to 50 pixels and our width to 50 pixels. If it's not still enough, you can increase it to 100. If it's not still enough, you can take it higher, but for me, I think this is good. Now let us start coloring our screen. Let's add some color. For our background color, I'm going to put mine as cyan, and for my your dice but better button, I'm going to put it as green, and the question mark button black. Now my text color is going to be white because you cannot really see through black, and I'm going to increase my text and my in my button to 30. Now that looks good. Let's go on to our coding section. In our coding section, this is where we'll be putting all our blocks we will need. And we want our projector button to show us what's the random numbers. But let's start with our accelerator sensor. Click on that and grab when accelerator sensor is shaking, and go to projector button and put set projector button text to. And there's one thing I want to point out to you guys. Like, see, there's a difference. Look, this one has this other block attachment center, but this one doesn't have. So you might put this there and you'll be like, no, this is meant to be there. You need to look carefully at it to see how it's going to fit. We don't need that, so I'm just going to delete it. We're going to go to math, and we're going to pick a random integer from 1 to 6, because that's the amount of sides a normal dice has. We're going to call our text to speech button to speak the message of button 1 or of our projector button. We come here and we look for projector button text, and we're going to attach it here. That's the click. Now, instead of doing this for our projector button, we can always right click and press duplicate. We can now start making the changes here. We want, instead of accelerator sensor, we want to change that to projector button. When projector button is being clicked, we can put that there, but we're now missing the thing on top, so we can click that and duplicate it and set a random integer to that. You make sure it looks good. Then once you've done that, if you want to test your code, you can go, if you're on iOS, you go to App Store and search for MIT Appinventor, and it will bring it up for you and you download it. Or if you're on Android, you go to Google Play Store and also search for MIT Appinventor. Once you've done that, you open the app and you press OK to everything it gives you. Then you press connect on your PC and go to AI Companion. You can scan the QR code or type in the code. So I'm just going to type in the code on my screen, but just know everyone's is different. Now I've done that. It's loading. Now we can hear
5, 3, 1. 3, 4, 2, 3, 6, 1.
Some people, whenever they do this, they don't always check through their work. They always rush through it and say, I'm done. But you need to check through it to make sure everything looks fine. Then you cannot test it. If it does not work out, that's the thing with coding. Not every time your first try goes through. You can try 1, 2, 3, 4. I remember when I first started, I tried like 5 times until I got this simple code easy. But I hope you like these simple tips and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel grow. And guys, we're almost at 50 subscribers. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Bye.